Hello students, let's begin with the first problem solving session on the very first topic of grade 11 physics, which is units, dimensions and error analysis. In this session we'll be discussing very basic problems related to units. Now let us look at the first problem, and let me also tell you one thing, that most of the problems that I am going to discuss in this session will be based on the NCERT problems. Now the first problem is fill in the blank type, in which we have to write the volume of a cube. Okay, volume of a cube, the side of which is 1 centimeter. Now we know that if A is the side of a cube, then A cube is equal to the volume. Now here A is given in centimeters, okay, which is not the SI unit, so we have to convert 1 centimeter into its proper SI unit form, right? Now volume is equal to A cube, therefore this will be 10 to the power minus 2 times cube meter cube. So this is equal to 10 to the power minus 6 meter cube. So what will come here? 10 to the power minus 6. Now let us look at the second fill in the blank type question. What is stated here is the surface area of a solid cylinder of radius 2 centimeter and height 10 centimeters is equal to dash millimeter square. Now here we have to take the conversion into mm, right? So radius is given as 2 centimeter, which is equal to 20 millimeters, and height h is given as 10 centimeter, which can be written as 100 millimeters. Now what is the formula for surface area of a solid cylinder? It is pi r square. Okay, pi r square is the area for one phase. Similarly for the second phase it will be again pi r square, and then you have the curved surface, the area of which will be 2 pi r into h. So this formula, if you simplify, it can be written as 2 pi r plus h. Now we have to simply substitute the values. 2 into 22 by 7, that is pi, and r is 20 mm into, what is r plus h? It is 100 plus 20. So if you solve it, you are going to get 15072 millimeter square. Okay, so it's a very simple problem. Only thing that is that we have to take care of the conversion of units before calculating the, or before substituting the values in the formula. Now let us look at the third problem of fill in the blank type, in which we have to find out, we are given that a vehicle is moving with a speed of 18 km per hour and it covers a distance dash meters in 1 second. Now the speed v is given in kilometer per hour. Okay, it is per hour. So to convert it into meter per second, we have to write kilometer in meters and hours in seconds, which will be 3600 seconds. So if you calculate this, what you're going to get is 5 meter per second. That means it covers a distance of 5 meters in 1 second. Now let us look at the fourth fill in the blank type problem, in which the statement is the relative density of lead is 11.3. Okay. Now what is the meaning of relative density? Relative density is given by the formula density of the substance, okay, that is the subject, divided by the density of water at 4 degrees centigrade. Now the density of water at 4 degrees centigrade is, you must be knowing, this value is actually 1 gram per centimeter cube. Okay, that means if you wish to find out the density of lead in gram per centimeter cube, so the density rho of lead will be given by relative density of lead into density of water. Rho is the symbol of density. So what is the value? It is 11.3 relative density, and this is 1. So you are going to get 11.3 gram per centimeter cube. Okay, so this is 11.3 gram per centimeter cube. Now if you convert 11.3 gram per centimeter cube into kg per meter cube, the conversion factor is 1000. So 11.3 into 1000 is the density in kg per meter cube. So what is going to come over here? It will be 11300 kg per meter cube.